Hi everyone and welcome back to Login Science. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your Spotify playlist public. You just need to follow these steps. So let's get into it. First, all you have to do is open Spotify. Then you'll be landing on your homepage. Now you need to click on your library on bottom right. Now, if you have already made the playlist and you want to make it visible to the public, all you have to do is click on the playlist first. So I would want to make this playlist visible to the public. So all you have to do is click on the icon of three dot. Now scroll down to the bottom and you'll get to see the option to make public. Now you need to click on it. Well, your playlist is now public and all the people will be able to view your playlist. With the similar process, you'll be able to make other playlists visible to the public. So this much for today. I hope this video was informative for you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.